Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best way to open an account with Patriot Bank. Based on my experience, Patriot Bank makes the process pretty straightforward, and you essentially have two main options: online or in person at a branch. Both have their advantages, so the best way depends on what you value most: convenience or personalized service. Opening an account online. If you want speed and convenience, the online application is the way to go. I found it quick, only taking a few minutes to fill out the form once I had all my documents ready. Prep work. Before you even start, make sure you have the necessary information and documents ready to upload or input. For a personal account, this usually includes your social security number or ITIN, a government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport, and the account information from another bank if you plan to make your initial deposit electronically. The process: you just go to their official website, look for the Open an Account link, and follow the prompts. You select the type of account you want, checking, savings, etc., and then fill in your personal details, verify your identity, and set up your opening deposit. They'll likely send you a confirmation email afterwards, and you might get a call to finalize a few details. Opening an account in person. If you prefer to talk to someone, ask detailed questions about different account types, or just handle things with paper, going into a physical branch is the best route. Branch visit. I called ahead to make sure they weren't too busy, but you can usually just walk in. The benefit of this is getting one-on-one help to compare accounts like their basic checking, regular checking, or specialty accounts like the one account or a senior or student account, which all have different features and minimum opening deposits. What to bring? You'll still need the same documents: social security number / ITIN and a government-issued ID. Bring your opening deposit in the form of cash or a check, and be prepared to sign a few forms. The banker will walk you through everything, which is great if you're new to banking or have a complicated situation. For a quick and efficient opening, use the online portal if you're over 18 and have all your identification and initial deposit fund handy. For personalized advice, comparing different account tiers, or opening a business account which can require more documentation, visiting a Patriot Bank branch is the better choice. Either way, make sure you know the minimum opening deposit and any ongoing balance requirements for the account you choose to avoid fees. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.